We're cutting across to an exclusive news break. Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria has spoken to India Today on the sidelines of the Aero Show in Bengaluru. He's spoken on the tensions along the line of actual control, saying deployment is as per the ground reality. He's revealed that the IAF also made emergency procurements during the Ladakh tussle. The IAF chief has also confirmed to us here in India Today that China has only been strengthening its infrastructure. Let's play out this exclusive conversation.
Tejas Mark 1A is far ahead of JF-17. Okay, but every country, they continue to upgrade their fighters. So it's a constant cycle of come out with a design and thereafter continue to upgrade it in batches. What we have done from Tejas FOC version, we have done the same. We have upgraded to a much higher level in Mark 1A, and that's going to give us again a combat edge with respect to JF-17 latest version.
What is the latest that we have picked up on Chinese activities either in Ladakh or in other sectors?
I would say it's more or less status quo. If you're talking of last 1 or 2 months, the talks are going on. There are minor deployment changes here and there, but there are a lot of strengthening of infrastructure going on.
So like what, sir?
Strengthening of infrastructure from staying in this winter periods is one in terms of ADAM infrastructure, but also operational infrastructure, be it in terms of storing of weapons, be it in terms of aircraft.
This is on our side or their side?
On their side I'm talking about. And similarly, we have taken steps to do whatever is necessary on our side. So in terms of deployments, in terms of our capability that we want to keep to handle the situation, we are taking steps as per the ground reality.
We saw in the budget papers that Air Force procured material of 11,000 crore, which was above the budget. So was this procurement done keeping in mind activities at the LAC, and what kind of equipment and material was this?
No, it was a mixture. I won't go into how much we have gone in for emergency procurement, but we have gone in whatever was required for our immediate procurement, and that budgetary support was provided. This expenditure that you are talking about is a mixture towards doing the initial payments towards the emergency procurements and towards handling other payments which were due. So overall, the budgetary support, whatever is required, has been provided in the last year as an increase. And in the new budget, of course, the increase in defense capital outlay would meet our requirements to continue to modernize and also look at some immediate capability building requirement.
And let me take this across now to our defense editor, Abhishek Bhalla, who had that exclusive conversation with the IAF chief. Abhishek, good morning. You're joining us live from Bengaluru, where the Aero Show is underway. But the big headline, perhaps, from the IAF chief's conversation with you is one confirming that there was emergency procurement by the IAF during the Ladakh standoff. And second, that things perhaps is still escalating at LAC because China continues to strengthen its infrastructure.
That's right, Akshita. And, you know, he clarified that it's not just the administrative infrastructure, but military infrastructure that China has been ramping up even during the winter. And he mentioned that, you know, a lot of storage facilities have come up. So it's very clear that China has been maintaining a warlike posture. Speaking about the budget, again he said that last year's budget, when I asked him that, you know, the Air Force overshot its expenditure by nearly 11,000 crore. So he said yes, and the reason for that was because some of those payments were made for equipment that was bought earlier, but the payments were pending. But he also mentioned that this amount went towards an emergency procurement during the Ladakh tussle. So that's a very big statement that he has made. And thirdly, he said that as far as the current budget is concerned, the budgetary allocation that's been made, the capital expenditure that's been allocated to the Indian Air Force will go a long way in ramping up, in enhancing the Air Force's capabilities. And the fourth thing, Akshita, where he said that the Tejas clearly has a combat edge over JF-17 of Pakistan and China. So some very interesting insights into Indian Air Force's plans revealed by Indian Air Force Chief Air Chief Marshal Bhadauria.
Right. Abhishek, thank you for joining us. And thanks for getting us that exclusive conversation also with the IAF chief.